Hello guys, welcome to the DFS channel. So today we are going to be talking about this bull market scalping strategy, and this strategy right here is very accuracy. And what I want you to know about this strategy is that this strategy is for you when you are going to be selling. Okay, and this confirmation for this strategy is very accuracy. If you see this confirmation, then the entry is going to be a winning one. That means that this strategy has 100% accuracy. I can guarantee you that, and I've already tested this strategy and work on it as well. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Subscribe, like, turn on post notification. Anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay. So with that being said, let me show you guys the settings for the strategy. First thing you want to do, just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you get to this icon, this all the indicator we are going to be adding. The first one is the loop. So I do add this up, we click on this icon right here. Search for every loop and click on it. Now for the every loop, the period is 120, shift is 0, method is 0.100, method is simple. As well, the division apply to close, and we only need the upper band. Click on save once you do that, and you have your every loop in your chart. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is stochastic oscillator. And we add this up, you click on this F icon. Search for stochastic oscillator and click on it. Now you just have to set everything up like this. We don't need the stochastic oscillator parameters, we only need the levels, which is the 15 and the 85 levels. Go back and click on save. Now once you add the stochastic oscillator up, it's going to be your indicator on the one. So the next indicator is the MACD. So click on this F icon. Now for the MACD, this is the parameters. So set everything up like this and click on save. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is the relative Vigo index. Now at the way I this up, click on this F icon, search for it, click on it. Now set everything up like this, and click on save. Okay, so that's the indicator we are going to be using for this strategy. Now how do this strategy works? Now I've already told you guys that whenever I want to take a trade with this strategy, when we are taking a trade, this strategy is going to give you guys when we are going to be enter a trade and when not to take a trade. Now first thing you want to do is that you want to see where both the relative Vigo index and the MACD come straight to the 85 levels of the RSI of the stochastic oscillator. Sorry. So when they touch the stochastic oscillator, 85 levels, then look into your main chart. Now this every look is going to be the one to give us if we are going to be taking the trade or we are not going to be taking the trade. Now how does this work? When you see this confirmation here on your indicator window one, then you look into your main chart. Are you seeing the envelope line or you are not seeing it? If you are seeing it, the confirmation you wait for is for the price to break below it. Okay, you want to see the price break below the envelope line. And when the price break below the envelope line, you're not just waiting for one candle, you're waiting for at least 3 to 4 candles. Then that is when you are not going to decide to enter your trade. Now whenever you see an opportunity right here, you can see we have this opportunity right here as the MACD touch the 12 levels, but can you see the moving average? Can you see the envelope line? No, we can't see it. We should be expecting the envelope line to be around this area. Okay, that is where we are expecting the envelope line to be. Okay, but the envelope line is not there, so there is no entries. And can you see the moving average? Can you develop line right here? Yes, we can see it. Okay, so that is an entry. That should be an entry. Can you see develop line right here? Yes, we can see it. So whenever you see develop line, then there is going to be a trade. But when you can't see develop line, there is not going to be any trades. Okay, so let me go to crash to show you guys another example here on crash. Okay, so let's say we are looking for a buy. Now when we are buying, what are we expecting? We want to see where the Vigo index and the MACD come straight to the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. So when they get there, you are now going to look into your main chart. Are you seeing the envelope line or you are not seeing it? If you are seeing the envelope line, then that shows that there's a trade. Okay, so what are you expecting? You are expecting to see that it can close above the envelope line, candle close above it, and you're not just waiting for that candle, you're waiting for another 3 candles. Okay, so your entries will be right at this kind right here. So that is where you're going to enter your trade. Now for the zoom level, before I forget, when you zoom out completely, you're going to zoom in twice. That is the zoom level you're going to be using. Okay, so that is how the strategy works. Whenever you see that, whenever you see an entry and you see the envelope line, then there's an entry for you. But when you see a trade and there's no envelope line, then that is not going to be an entry for you. So that's how the strategy works. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.